How to add multiple videos on Instagram Reels. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how to do it using your Android device as well as your iOS device. First of all, go and open your Instagram app like this. After you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on this plus button. After you tap on this plus button, as you can see now, so by default now, if you tap on this plus button, it will give you an option to post. So just tap on this reel section. As you can see now, swipe it to this reel. After you tap on this reel, as you can see now it will allow you to upload reels. So now if you want to upload more than one videos at once, or you want to upload multiple videos at once on Instagram Reels, all you have to do now, go ahead and long press your hand on the video that you want to upload. Long press your hand. After you long press your hand, as you can see now it marks this video as one. So now you can go ahead and select the second video that you want to add. Let's say I will select this one. As you can see now, this video, as you can see now the video, now this one, it says to second video. So you can select more than three videos at once. After you finish selecting the videos that you want to add on your Instagram, Instagram reel, tap on this next button. So now if you tap on this next button, as you can see now, here it says syncing clips to audio. So after, as you can see now, it finished this. All you have to do now, tap on this next button. As you can see now it finished. As you can see now, here is all my videos. So now tap on this next button. After you tap on this next button, now it will allow you now to upload more than one videos, or to upload multiple videos on Instagram Reels. Just tap on this next button to upload your Instagram Reels on your Instagram. Hope this video helps you out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.